Hello, this is Cynthia Fick, and this is the December 19th stock market update. Well, first off, happy holidays. I hope you're having a wonderful, relaxing holiday season so far. This will be the last time I speak to you before the new year, believe it or not, just based on the way Tuesdays are falling, the day after Christmas and the day after New Year's. So unless anything changes, this is the last time you're going to hear from me in 2023. So let's wrap it all up and tie it in a nice, pretty bow for you. First off, let's go right to the charts. CNBC came out and said the Fed has decided to hold rates steady and indicated that they're going to have 3 cuts coming in 2024. Bloomberg says they're preparing to shift from rate cuts to in 2024. They think inflation is easing and they're stopping raising interest rates and talking about cutting them. I'm expecting sometime next year. So this is a major pivot in the Federal Reserve and just making a big difference in the market. So let's look again at the long-term chart and what is making the big difference there today. Again, I've talked to you about those long-term secular bulls and long-term secular bear markets. And it's very easy to see. This is the trend going back to 1974. And I could go all the way back to the 1930s and show you the long-term bears and the long-term bulls. Again, I said we have not crossed over, broken through the long-term trend, believe it or not, and things are still on pace. So you may be saying, why is the stock market doing so well, as I hate to say, but we've been projecting for a little while now? Let me go through the major reasons that the market has rallied at the end of 2023 and why I suspect, although it's going to be very volatile, I am sure that the trend will in general be up for 2024 also. Number one, the Fed stopping raising interest rates, perhaps lowering, and inflation slowing down, number one. Two, the soft landing is pretty much looking like it's in the bag. And so that's, the market loves that. Not thinking we're going to have a major recession. Number three, I just showed you the long-term trend. And what is it based on? It's demographics. It's Gen Z and the millennials following right after that. Number four, remember how much money we talked about that was on the sidelines? There's this fear of missing out. The market has done well this year. A lot of people missed out. A lot of stocks missed out. Only 7 stocks led this whole market, and fortunately we were in a lot of them, but so there's a lot of stocks that are wanting to play major catch up. One of the last things too, artificial intelligence. I think the way we're talking about artificial intelligence right now is, if you remember back in the mid-90s, we were talking about the WWW, the World Wide Web, had no idea how is it going to change our world. And of course now we know. I want to challenge you to spend some time over the holidays, go onto your iPhone or your whatever phone you use, download the ChatGPT app and ask it to write the best Christmas card saying of all time. So again, I will see you in the new year. I'll only come back in 2023 with the stock market update if something majorly changes. But I hope you and your family and your friends have just a wonderful holiday season. Take care. Bye.